Susie Quillen from Perfectly Naughty, and today I'm going to show you how to add your stash to your Ravelry. And I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, and so I just wanted to do a little screen share and show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can move my picture out of the way. Let's see if I can remember. Let's make it small. Do that. I don't know what. There I am down here in the bottom. Ta-da! Hello. So, all right. You can see here I'm logged into my account. There I am. If you have not found me on Ravelry yet, please do that. I am True Susie Q. If you friend me, I will friend you back. All right. So what we're going to do is going to go to our notebook. We're going to go down here to our stash. Now this is from my laptop computer. I'm not familiar really with how to do this from my a phone. There are ways you can do it, but I don't do this on my phone. So, and then we're going to come over here where it says add to stash in the upper left hand corner. And I'm going to say that and this is where it just answer the questions. I bought this at a local yarn store. And the name of my stashed yarn is Creative. See, on this yarn. And the yarn company brand is it's Haiku. Is this one Haiku? No, this one isn't. This is Euro Yarns. There it is, right there, Euro Yarns. And it says here, I purchased this at Perfectly Naughty. If I don't come up for you, you click other, and then you type in the store name, and it will come up. Okay, and so now I'm going to continue. Okay, and now it says, oh, looks like you're trying to put in Euro Yarns Creative. So it says no matches were found. So what we're going to do is I'm going to search. Interesting. So let's try this. Let's see what happens if I do this. If I go search. There it is. Look at that. Creative DK. Ta-da. So we're going to, because it's from Euro Baby, not Euro Yarns. My mistake. Okay. So I'm going to choose that yarn. All right. Now this is where you just kind of walk through and fill in the blanks. Gives me the option to add photos. So I'm going to add a photo. It's not on my Instagram account. I actually have to upload this from my computer. And so then I have to go choose my file. It's actually on my camera. I just took it just now. That's probably it, but I can't see it. So let's go take a look at the picture. I don't know if you can actually see the steps that I'm doing here, because I think I have this set for you to only see the tab that I'm working in. Okay, there I am. I'm back. All right, I found my picture. It's uploading my picture from my camera. And I am stashing, you'll see here in just a moment, I am stashing 3 colors because if I was doing the Karen Hooley Mystery Crochet Along for 2018, no, this is 19, sorry, 2019. These are the 3 colors that I would use. There they are. Ta-da! All right, so I will be adding, and I'll show you what we do with this. Okay, so now I've got my picture up. I'm going to finish my photos. Ta-da! There's my yarn. All right, now my colorway. We're going to go with that brown one first. That brown one is color. So you click right here where it says colorway, and I'm going to scroll down. It says, and my label says I have color number 23, but this doesn't go down to that. It only goes up to those first ones. We have some new colors in the system. So, so what we're going to go, we're going to over here to closest color, and I'm going to go this is sort of a mocha color. So we're going to go, we're just going to scroll down and see if I can find something that I think is going to, doesn't even, it's a brown. All right, I'm just going to click brown because I can come down, I can add some other information. So like down here where it says my dye lots and different things. I have 1 skein of the brown. Ta-da! And then it says I bought it at Perfectly Naughty. We're going to say I bought it today, right there. These are $16. My die lot on this one is 27830. There you go. And I can put some other notes in here if I want to. And I'm going to put a note down here that says the actual color number for this mocha. Oops, let's try spelling brown correctly. There we go. All right. And then I'm going to come down here, adding lots of yarn at once, save your changes, and add a colorway. So I'm going to save this. Okay. And then I'm going to come down. I'm going to go over here to edit my stash. And I'm adding a colorway. So let's see, come down here, add a colorway. And I bought it at the local yarn store. I bought it at Perfectly Naughty. Continue. See, and it saved all of these. Excuse me. It saved these details. It wants me to add a new photo. So let's go over to the add photo, see if it's going to pull up my same picture again. No. So we'll just go back to my upload from computer and I will add that again. My computer seems to be going really slow. I think it's not liking this winter weather we have going on. Choose a file. There we go. It's that one right there. There we go. I was clicking the wrong button. No wonder it's slow. It's always slower when you click the wrong button. So now we have to let that upload. And the next color we're going to add is this kind of beige color. I like these very earthy colors here. There's some others. I mean, you could do some just really stunning, bright popping colorways. And sometimes I love to do that. And sometimes I really love these classic color combinations. All right, this is color number 4, right? Oh, look, and it's right there. So I'm just going to click on that. And I have one skein of that. And I bought it. We're going to go back again and tell it we bought it today and that it was $16. And I'm going to put my die lot in, which is 01778. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to save my changes. Ta-da! And there it is. And then I'm going to come down and edit my stash again. And I'm going to add a colorway. And this time I'm going to be adding that cream color. We're going to go back through these steps again. So this is allowing you to see how these steps work. Got it at a local yarn store. It's Perfectly Naughty. We're going to continue. And my colorway this time is color number 2. And I have one skein of that. And I bought it. I'm doing this today. And then I paid $16 for it. And my die lot. You know, you can add as little or as much information as you want. It's, you know, if this is a product that you are planning to maybe sell to somebody, because sometimes people will contact you about purchasing things. And all right, we're going to add that picture back in. Choose my file. Choose my picture. It's uploading. And sometimes you really want or need to know what your die lot number is. Sometimes you don't. And so I think that's really handy to do that. We're waiting for that to upload. Sometimes that's just kind of a slow process, especially if the photo has a lot of detail in it. All right, finished with my photo. And I can just go back right here and see there's some options you could do, like it's in stash. that I used it up. You can also mark it that you will trade it or sell it. If you do trade it or sell it, make sure you mark that you've traded, sold, or gifted it, so that you can mark that you no longer have it. But sometimes we have stash that we are ready to move on. This can be a good forum for that. It's not an open marketplace, so it's very specific if someone is searching for your yarn, but then they usually just will pay you through PayPal and then you send it. So that can be pretty handy. All right. And so then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click Save My Stash. Ta-da! That's how that works. So, and then what you can do, let's see here. If I go over here to the pattern search now, and I look for Karen Hooley. Let's see here. I am looking for the Karen Hooley Mystery Crochet Along is what I'm looking for. She's got some great patterns, by the way, you guys. Karen Hooley is a local to Snohomish County designer, and she is she's a friend of mine. I've known Karen for a good 20 years, and I like her designs. She does such a really great job with her designs because there's always something in her designs that is simple and to build your confidence, and then there's always an aspect that builds and challenges your skill set a little bit more. So I really like the way she does designs. Right now we're doing this 2009 Mystery Crochet Along. So I'm going to click that because I want to show you how this would work. So I am actually not working this project myself. I am supporting it and I love it and everything, but I already had way more projects on my in my queue, and I already have several display models with this particular yarn. So, but I am hosting this crochet along at my shop, the workshop, so that's kind of fun. But if I was going to start it, it already pulls up my yarns because it has the suggested Euro Baby Creative DK. It says, oh gosh, I already have these in my stash. So I could start right here and I could click hook it. And that's going to help me get that started. Boom, there we go. And am I starting this project? And I would just say, create that project. You can change the name of it right there if you want. And then you would just get started. You would just edit. You can edit the project and you can, so then right here it says use my stash yarn. And then I would go in and I would click use, use, and use. And like this, I would click use that one. And, oops, where's the, oh, here it is. Use more stash yarn. And I would click that one. And then use more stash yarn. And click that one. There we go. And then I could again go in, add a photo. If I wanted to have progress photos in there, you can click your progress in here. You can click the date that you started it, and all kinds of things that happen in here. You can put, you can do notes in here. One of the fun things about doing notes is that you can do your notes journal style. So I could put in the date here, and then I could add my notes. And then save this. And then I can come back and I can edit this note if I want to, or I can add a new note and do like a series of journal entries. And I've done that with projects that I have done some sort of in ongoing fashion. And so that's kind of fun to do. I think it's clever. I think that it's really helpful. So there's that. I'm actually going to not save my changes on this. I'll have to go into my notebook and take it back out, but we're going to just go back. So So that's what I wanted to show you today, guys, how to do those things. Now, when I go into my project, it says leave. Yes, I do want to leave. I didn't save my changes. That's okay. I can come over here because I'm not really creating that project. I'm going to delete that one from my queue. And you can see here the things that I did that I've listed. I've got other projects that I've done that I've never bothered or managed to get uploaded in here. But this challenge option, which is right over here, you can click on the challenge. It reminds me. It doesn't send me any messages to remind me, but mentally and emotionally, it reminds me to come in here and record things. You can see my first project of the year. I made a little circle baby blanket for my new grandson that's going to be born next week. And then I'm going to be visiting. They live in North Dakota, where currently it is minus 24 degrees. My son sent me a message last night. That's crazy. And so baby's got to stay warm. So Grammy's going to be making some stuff for that baby. So there you go, guys. That is it. That's the fun. You can, again, go find me. You can go see my profile. You can see there's a little more pictures of me. You can go and see the projects, things I have in my queue. You can go see the patterns I have in my library. I think you can see that kind of stuff. You can learn about me over here. This links over to my my website. So if you wanted to go and learn about some stuff, obviously I have not posted anything that links over in a while. I've been doing some reorging on the website, but you can get to my Instagram. You can get to my Facebook page. If you don't follow me there, I want to encourage you to do that. You can go over here to visit my website, check out my learning zone, where you will find videos like this and more. And I hope to see, you can come over here and see the designs that I have posted and the things that I have for sale, and which isn't very much because I myself not a high-end Ravelry user, but I'm learning, and as I learn, I'm trying to share things with you guys. So there you go, everybody. Thanks for joining me on this little tutorial today. I hope it was helpful. Ask me questions. I'll try to get more information out to you as I can. I'll be doing some more live videos for you and some more screenshot videos like this to help you improve and grow and build your yarn craft skills, your knitting and your crochet. I want to encourage you to be confident, and I want you to be ready to explore awesome new stuff. Okay, guys? So peace out. I hope you have an awesome week. This is currently the second week in February the 8th when I'm recording this, and we are here in the Pacific Northwest heading into what we lovingly refer to as a snowpocalypse 2. We had 12 inches of snow here last weekend, and it stayed cold, and we got another snowstorm that's blowing in today. In fact, it's snowing outside right now, so go home and enjoy the snow. Stay warm, stay cozy, make beautiful things. Tag me, post your things. I love hearing about your adventures. So you can tag me here in Ravelry. You can post, when you post things on social media, tag me, tag Perfectly Naughty with either the hashtag Perfectly Naughty or tag my store through my direct link. So there you go. That's awesome stuff. That's a lot to take in. I hope you loved it, and I look forward to hearing from you.